Hi, this is Steve Wiedemann. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about duplicate content, specifically about content that's already indexed by Google and how it might be affecting your search rank. It's really easy in some cases to go out to the web and look for content that you can use on your web page that best represents your brand and helps users. However, doing so could create a problem. In 2011, Google released an algorithm update called Panda, and Panda went through and looked at its index of content, and it basically gave less credibility to content that didn't originate from the site that it found it on. So if you, for example, grabbed content from another website, pasted it on yours, Google will likely filter that content out. It also hurt a lot of e-commerce websites that used manufacturer product descriptions. So poor e-commerce websites, after this algorithm update happened, had to go through every single product and create their own product descriptions if they hoped to receive traffic from Google. So it was a big slap in the face to a lot of e-commerce websites, but it was also an example of how Google really does want to show the best possible content and is identifying content and content originators and giving them credit. So huge win for you if you create your own content. So let's take an example of how you would identify if there were a problem and what you could do to remedy it. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm just going to type in, I don't know, how about personal injury attorney? It's a very competitive search term. Let's do a city like Atlanta, maybe? Atlanta, Georgia. So the first site that comes up is forthepeople.com/Atlanta. This is the URL. Obviously, he's doing well and doesn't have any duplicate content issues, but here's where you can check to see if other people are using his content. So as an SEO, I'm going to look at his webpage and analyze if this page weren't ranking, what might be causing problems. So what I'm going to do is grab a snippet of text from the page, some maybe 7 or 8 words that we know are going to be unique to the page, and then I'm going to open google.com. So let's go to google.com, and in quotes, I'm going to paste in that phrase that I grabbed, and I'm going to do a search. And what you can see is other websites that are borrowing from this guy, For the People, in hopes probably to get better search rank, or because they thought the content best represented their brand. The problem with that is there's obviously copyright issues that they have to be concerned about, but it also prevents these pages. HRC firm, mylocally.com, attorney Carter's Villa, whatever. Excuse me. So prevents them from having the best possible placement. Google is likely going to filter out all of these other results for the given keyword phrase, which we went after, which was Atlanta personal injury attorney. So there's how we identified right away whether there was a problem. So to fix this, if you've identified that there is a problem, let's say you are this HRC firm and you discover that that content was actually originated on the For the People site, you're going to go to your web page, and you're basically going to rewrite everything. And in some cases, we've seen examples of actually changing the URL to a new URL if it has new copy and redirecting this old page. If you determine the new page is still struggling, if the URL is mapped to content that was duplicate, it could take a while for that content to re-earn trust by the search engines. So if you wanted to expedite the ranking for a specific phrase, you might consider creating a new URL, creating the new content on the new URL, and redirecting this old page. So that is it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please use the comment section below. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.